Well, guess who got home with, a bag of stuff. Basically went to an arcade and I got, ow! I caught that on tape. I banged my head right there. I think I might have lost a few brain cells. Anyways, I got a ton of stuff. So, I guess I'll get to the first cool thing in a sec. But alright, look at all this. So, we got finger trap, airhead, spider rings. This is new. Weird. Got some Tootsie Rolls, bubblegum pops. I think these are called Dum Dums. Some tops and a cool bouncy ball. Let's see if this works. 3, 2, 1. That was kind of pathetic. Can I do a trick shot or something? Let's see if I can. Hold up. I don't know who that is. Oh, found it! Yeah! Alright. I got another cool thing to show you. Be right back. I didn't even expect for them to have this here, but I got this. It begins with P. P for pocket. Pocket. Comb! I bet you were about to say pocket knife. Nope, this is a comb. This is actually worth it. I can freak my friends out now. This is gonna be fun. I should prank Ev or Lunix. That would be really funny. Yeah, but you just slide this back, push the button. It springs right out. Yeah, my friend Lunix, he got one. So I got one. Yeah. And by the way, I had a total of 4,000 tickets. So yeah! Here's the box. Folding pocket comb. Yeep. One more time. 3, 2, 1. Yeah! That's real good. This is probably the most amazing and funny thing ever. I think I might go scare my brother with this afterwards. Oh, yeah, that'll be fun. Woo! Oh, God. That's really funny. But look at all that. Up. Bust the ball. And that. Got a few extra tickets from my dad, though. Man. Whew. Finger trap. Finger trap. By the way, guys, I'm in a different bedroom. If you can't tell already. There are like 5 bedrooms in this house for some reason. It's useful because Lunix actually came over yesterday for 2 days. 2 days ago, he came over and we had a sleepover. And that was epic. I loved that. Went to the boardwalk and won a bunch of prizes and stuff. That was super fun. Yeah. What else? Oh, I think I'll show you my secret view. After some gameplay XDDD. Yeah, sorry guys. I had to do some more Pixel Car Racer gameplay. This game is super good. I'm currently driving my, what's it called? What the? Nissan Skyline R34. I'm on a shoulder in the tunnel. What the? Okay. Alright, next clip. There we go. Back again, editing clips together. Got 2 cops after me. Well, yeah, 2 cops I think. Nope, just 1. Tried to pit maneuver me, but I got out of the way. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Ouch. That hurt. I hate you. Anyways, on to the next clip. And here we are, Tokyo City Highway. In my sorry, what is this? I don't know. I'm gonna say Nissan Silvia S14, maybe? Yeah, nice. Yeah, nice. Alright. I can work with this. Oh, actually, this is a Silvia. This is a Silvia. Okay, man, okay. Great, how about you calm down a little bit? A little bit. Maybe not. Yeah, okay, yeah. Okay, next clip coming up in 3, 2, 1, and next clip. Alright, I'm in the good old Colorados. I'm in the Colorado area, and I'm in my Dodge. Actually, wait, is this a Dodge? It's hard to tell in the darkness. No, this is a GTR, I think. Yeah, it's a GTR. Alright, so we're gunning it right now. Oh, people in the way. Shoo. Ouch. That hurt. Oh yeah, we're hazards on now. That's funny. Watch out, everybody. Ooh, that was a close call. Oh no, not a cop. Woo! Yeah, the cop can't even touch this. Oh, flames shooting out of the back. Next clip. I managed to find myself in an AE86 Truno in Colorado. This is going to be the last clip before I do all that crazy stuff and show you the cool views, everything. Yeah. Yeah, it's going to be quite nice. I don't know why I'm making so much noise. Oh, there, flames. Aha. Okay, here we go. Come on. Yeah. Oh, really? No cops yet. Kinda disappointing, XD. I really kind of wanted to chase some cops, or have cops chase me. Lee. Where are... Oh, there's a cop. Again, can't touch this. Look, I'm gonna slow down for him too. Leo. Wait, this is probably a bad idea. Uh-oh. I shouldn't have done this, shouldn't I? Well, hello. Ow. That hurt. Stupid nubby nub. Uh-oh. Ow. You just pit maneuvered me. I hate you. Ow. That hurt. Yeah. Anyways, now on to the normal vlogs. Yeah. Here I go. Jump up there. Climb up through back up there. Whew. That just got us to the top bunk. Look at that. It's epic. Okay. Whoop. I got an outside look. Woo! Look at that. It's pretty cool. Over there too. There's a grill. Yeah. And anyways, this should be fun. I think I'll throw you guys back down. Yeah, let's do that again. Woo! That was fun. Except this time I'm gonna do it on camera. Watch this, boys. 3, 2. I might slow that down in editing. That was super fun. 2 bunk beds. There and there. And I kind of just hang out over here. Yeah, I have my own little area. Whew. Wait, I wonder if I can... Because there's dust up here. Can I write my YouTube channel? Let's see. Ah, darn it! I would have written sub to Excalibur Gaming. No, that would have been epic. Ah, darn it! I'll just spell L3, 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 Leedle. Yeah, this is a fun vlog. Whee! I just got dinner. Woohoo! 2 tacos. I could probably eat those whole. Anyways, I think this will be the end of this vlog for now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Peace.